Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to book a ride on the Grab application. Grab makes it easy to get around your city with just a few taps. So in order to do that, launch the Grab app open on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, you can download from the App Store or your Google Play Store. Also make sure to enable location services and then from the home page, go ahead and tap on the bike or the car option at the top of the screen. Now type in your destination in the text box. You will then be able to see this map page. Go ahead and select the correct location from the list of suggestions and then click on choose this pickup. You will see options such as Grab Car, Premium Airport, Grab Car Premium, Grab Car Electric, etc. Select the one that best fits your needs and budget and then tap on book at the bottom right corner. Right after you book, you'll be matched with a nearby driver. You can track their location on the map and see the estimated time of arrival. Head to the pickup point when your driver is nearby and confirm your ride details before starting the trip. And that's how successfully you'll be able to book a ride with Grab. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.